Hello everyone, my name is Anisa Sahu. Today I am with a new example of phase 1 and phase 2 of simplex method. So the question is max shade is equal to 5x1 plus 3x2. Subject to constraints are 2x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1, x1 plus 4x2 greater than equal to 6, where x1 and x2 greater than equal to 0. So the objective function is already in standard form, that is maximized form. Max z is equal to 5x1 plus 3x2. Here you can see subject to constraints is less than equal to, means add one slack variable. 2x1 plus x2 plus s1 is equal to 1, where s1 is the slack variable. You can write it as here. x1 plus 4x2 greater than equal to 6. Greater than equal to means subtract one surplus variable and add one artificial variable. So here it is x1 plus 4x2, subtract one surplus variable and add one artificial variable is equal to 6. So now the objective function in phase 1 and phase 2 problem is all coefficient taken as 0 and the coefficient of artificial variable is taken as -1. So 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 minus a1. Okay, here you can write it as only minus a1. Okay, now phase 1 table 1. CV, XB, X1, X2, write all variable S2, A1, solution, then ratio. Write down the coefficient of objective function here 0, 0, 0, 0, -1, as there is no solution, so it will be 0. Now XB रे कौन लिखा हो इक्वेशन 1 और 2 रे लास्ट जे वेरिएबल अछि इट इज s1 it is a1, so write down s1 and a1. Now find the coefficient of s1 is 0 and a1 is -1, so here it will be 0 and -1. Write down the equation 1 coefficient and equation 2 is coefficient. So here then calculate their zj minus cj value. zj minus cj value आर के आसो 0 into 2 plus -1 into 1 whole bracket minus 0. Answer is -1. As like calculate up to solution here. Then found most negative value of zj minus cj. Which is most negative? -4. So here it is the pivot column. Then calculate the ratio. Ratio is solution by pivot column element. 1 by 1. Here it is 6 by 4. 1. It is 1.5. Okay. Then choose the minimum one of ratio. Which is the minimum? 1 and 1.5. 1 is the minimum. Here S1 is the pivot row. Then intersection of pivot column and pivot row is 1. So here pivot element is 1. Now let's do table 2 here. In table 2 CV, XB, so you can see x2 is the pivot column and s1 is the pivot row, so x2 replaced in s1. it कौन लिखा हो x2 लिखा हो. x2 रो कोएफिशिएंट टेबल 1 के तो अछि 0, so it would be 0. एटा जहाँ अछि से लिखा हो a1 -1. Okay, then pivot element is 1, So divide the pivot element in its pivot row. So ये केते हबो 2/1 न्यू टेबल फर्स्ट आम कोफिशिएंट लिखिदेवा x1 x2 s1 s2 a1 सॉल्यूशन रेशियो 0 0 0 0 -1 0. सो एटी x2 टा रिमूव होनी ओनली आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबलटा ही रिमूव. सो ये आम डिवाइड करवा 2/1 2 1/1 1 1/1 1 0/1 0 0/0 0 0/1 0 1/1 1. Okay, then calculate this value. Old table the place element is there केते अछि 1 अछि. So 1 minus new pivot equation रा same place element 2 into pivot column रा corresponding element ए रो पे बाहर करछे माने तळ रो पे pivot column रे तळ रो पे की corresponding element हबो ये ए रो 4 1 minus 8 is equal to -7, isn't it? So here it be -7. As like calculate all value. जदि किसी डाउट होची प्रीवियस वीडियो रे भी मको बुझेची जदि ता पर भी डाउट होची तो प्लीज कमेंट. Here these are the calculated value. Now find out zj minus cj. केमती 0 into 2 plus -1 into -7 whole bracket -0. Answer is 7. As like calculate up to solution. Here you can see all values are positive but still an artificial variable is present in the table. So the solution is an infeasible solution. इटा केबे भी सॉल्व हे परिबो नाही. You can write it as the solution is an infeasible solution because the zj minus cj values are positive. Still an artificial variable is there. Is that clear to you? If any doubt, please comment. Thank you.